Question 10. A solid is made from a hemisphere and a cylinder. Yep, I'm just looking at that. I've got the cylinder here, and there's the hemisphere, the half a sphere on the top. The plane face of the hemisphere coincides with the upper plane face of the cylinder. Yes, that's as it's drawn. The hemisphere and the cylinder have the same radius. Yep, that's as drawn. The ratio of the radius of the cylinder to the height of the cylinder is 1 to 3. So wait a minute. So if this is r here, then the height of the cylinder, not the height of the whole solid, the height of the cylinder must be 3r. Okay. Given that the solid has a volume of that, okay, well, let's write an expression for the volume of the solid, shall we? So, the volume of the solid, well, the volume of the solid will have the volume of the cylinder, well, the volume of the cylinder is pi r squared h, plus the volume of the hemisphere. Well, the volume of a whole sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. We've only got half of it here, so I'll multiply that by half. So there's an expression for the volume of the whole solid, and I know that that equals 792 pi. Now, that h, I can do without that, because I know that h is 3 times r. So what I've actually got here is pi r squared times 3r plus, now 4/3 times a half, that's 4/6, pi r cubed equals 792 pi. Let's carry on. 3 pi r cubed plus 2/3 of pi r cubed is 792 pi. Let's divide everything by pi. 3r cubed plus 2/3 r cubed equals 792. Look at that. So 3 2/3 of r cubed is 792. Divide both sides by 3 2/3. R cubed is 216. Cube root both sides. R is 6. Right. Now I found the radius is 6. Now, easy to make a mistake now. Do you see here that it says work out the height of the solid? Now, the height of the solid is this length here. It's from the top of the solid to the bottom. So it includes up to here, which is 3r, and then that bit there, which is the radius in the hemisphere, isn't it? Another r. So the height of the whole solid is 4r. So 4 times 6, 24 centimetres. And that is question 10 done.